Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by our channel and subscribing. And take a look at our links below. We have a lot of other fun channels that you might enjoy. Here on YouTube, we're going to hit up sandbars and beaches, go on underwater adventures, do some sailing, and have lots of other fun. And we hope you join us again in 2 weeks where we head back to the Florida Keys.
Crazy or not, we are launching the paddleboard from here. You're not allowed to launch your paddleboard from any of the docks, so I checked this out and saw that it's almost like a lazy river, so we're right almost at the peak of high tide. We're hoping it will carry us out and then turn around and carry us in. We're floating. All right, lazy river us, baby. Woo!
The reason I'm so excited here is because I really wanted to do this, and a lot of ideas I come up with, the captain's like, that's just crazy. I don't know that that's going to work. But I wanted to paddle through this marsh. I had a feeling that it would work out, even though we didn't see anybody else doing it. Why not be the first ones?
Well, it's not super fast, but it's working. Oh my goodness, how fun. Isn't it beautiful? The sun is burning my face though. I need to put my scarf back on. We have a flashlight just in case, and hopefully we'll get a good enough pace to help us back. I mean, we have the paddles so we can paddle. Look, the reeds are taller than we are. Okay.
Should I tell you now the reeds will function as a paddleboard?
Shut up! Oh my goodness gracious. I didn't think it popped, but that noise was just out of nowhere.
So we just saw a fish jump out of the creek we just left, and he jumped up like 3 feet out of the water multiple times.
At least 3 feet.
And it kind of seemed like he was jumping above the height of the reed to see what's going on.
There's one area that's a little precarious. It might be a little bit shallow, but other than that, we could actually snake all the way back and come out on the other side, way over there. The marina's that way. So we could actually keep going, pick up the tide as it's going out, and then paddle up to the boat, which I would love to do, baby. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful. Listen. Look at the moon on the water. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, the moon on the water is going to be amazing. Maybe we should stay out here until the moon comes out.
Mm-hmm. Sounds absolutely insane.
I decided not to push my luck with the captain, and we headed out to Folly Beach, hoping to circumnavigate the lighthouse again. Now, I'm not really into graffiti, not when people tag the sides of buildings, when it's other people's property, but down at Folly Beach, they have this long path that they've allowed people to put their stamp on, and I have to say it adds a lot of beautiful color when you make your way down to the beach.
beach this time because
8-foot breakers on a paddleboard, 100% we go over.
so we're gonna go look at this boat down here.
It's a beached sailboat. We're walking on this island and noticed this beached sailboat, and it dragged a path. I mean, it came a long distance. Every direction is several, let's say 1,000 feet of sand.
I feel like this is bad karma. I'm not sure I should be videoing in front of this boat.
It teaches you to be, aware and respectful of the power of the ocean. I mean, this is a pretty good sized sailboat, and it just got tossed way, way up here. Like it's been dug out pretty recently.
Yeah.
Wow. Sad to see what probably is a boat that floats fine get dragged up here and beaten up. Somebody's fixer-upper that just never completed.
Has a bimini on it still. We are alone on this island.
Alone with just a paddleboard as a way to get back to mainland. Safety first.
It's an adventure.
On this episode of Island Survivor.
Sun's tucking down. Oh man.
Moving quick.
It is moving quick. It's moving quicker than us. In charge of the shell.
In charge of 100 pounds of gear.
You said you wanted to carry it all. Didn't you?
Said I will carry it all. I didn't say I wanted to.
And just a bit more paddling before we say goodbye.
You like that clean deck?
Yes. So we're in a sandbar today and we are going to do some paddle boarding. We have it all blown up and ready to go. Whew. That's better.
Refreshing?
Yeah, refreshing.
Last try.
Paddleboard malfunction.